In this demonstration, we're going to be using the Artisan FlexGel to create a pink and white sculptured nail over a form. So the first thing that I want to do is take my cuticle pusher, and we are going to push back the cuticle. Then we're going to take the Artisan equalizer, and we are going to apply just enough of the equalizer to cover the entire nail. Next, we're going to be taking the Artisan sculptured form. I break the tab at the back of the form, and then I'm going to pre-roll the form between my fingers, creating that nice C curve that we like to see when we're doing sculptured nails. And then we're going to line the form up to her finger, and I'm going to use my thumbs and push that form up under her free edge. So now I'm going to take my FlexGel, and I'm going to be using the blush pink, and this time I am going to be using the white, which is true white. So I'm going to squeeze out an amount of the FlexGel, and I'm going to slice it off, and then I'm going to deposit this right onto the nail. Now we're going to take our brush, and I'm going to dip it in the smoother lotion, and we are going to work that up to and blend it up around the cuticle area. Now, as I get down to where my smile line is going to be, I want to really take my time and perfect my smile. Now, because the white is so opaque, I like to do it in two sections. I like to take just a small amount of the white and do a nice thin layer at first. So I'm going to deposit that layer on my form directly below my pink. Dampen my brush with my smoother solution, and then I'm going to press the gel up toward my smile line that I've created. Now I'm just going to thin out the free edge of the product, bringing it down the length of the nail. Now we're going to go into the lamp for a full 60 seconds. After the nail has cured for 60 seconds in the lamp, what we want to do is we want to remove it from the form. So as a safeguard, what I like to do is flip the hand upside down, and we're going to just give it another 30 seconds cure. That way we'll make sure that that white is completely cured. All right, at the end of the 30 seconds, what I can do is I can go ahead and start doing my preliminary filing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the nail is not stuck to the skin at all, and I'm going to come in on my side, and I'm going to file my sides smooth. Now I'm going to do my cuticle work. I'm going to come up around from my smile line up around the cuticle, and I'm thinning out the sides of the nail a little bit more. Now I'm coming straight up from my side walls, and again, I'm not touching the top of the nail because that's where the strength of my nail is at. Then I'm going to start blending from the free edge back. Then I'm going to come in with my buffer, and we're going to smooth the surface. Now, if I feel that the nail needs additional strength, what I can do is I can come in with a coat of clear over the top of the nail and reinforce it. So I'm going to take my Artisan Gel Effects top coat, and we're going to go ahead and coat the nail from cuticle all the way down the free edge. This is going to give us that nice long-lasting shine. Then we're going to put that nail into the lamp for 30 seconds. Now, after being cured for 30 seconds, there will be an inhibition layer on our top coat. So I'm going to take the Artisan Multi-Purpose Gel Nail Cleanser, and I'm going to put a little amount on a lint-free wipe, and we're just going to come down the nail. This nail, again, with Artisan FlexGel, gives us a beautiful finish. We can extend the nail bed, we can use a natural color. With the array of colors that we have, between the 12 colors, you can perfectly match their skin tone, creating a beautiful pink and white or French nail.